How to download CapCut in iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your App Store. Now at the top, you're gonna see the storage box, so you type in the app name CapCut and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of install, get, or this kind of arrow. You just have to click on that. With that, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. CapCut is a free all-in-one video editor that empowers anyone to create incredible video ads for TikTok, regardless of video ad editing experience or expertise. CapCut supports basic video editing functions including editing, trimming, and splitting clips. Once completion of its download process, you can launch it, sign up for it, and you can use it. So, this way you can easily download CapCut in iPhone. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.